Alright guys, so I was gonna make an unboxing video for my Bentley cologne, but then I was like, nah, I'm just gonna open it. But now I open it and I'm pretty stoked because I want to show you guys what this company Fragrance online what they did. So boom. First of all, this is a cologne, Bentley. You can see right there, Bentley. Here we are. Eau parfum. Like 2 Chainz said, Eau de toilette. Eau de parfum. Oh yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Looks amazing. But this is what caught my eye. Prescription Youth Skin Labs Instant Erase Eye Serum with neuropeptides. Interesting. So this is a scientifically designed complex exclusively formulated to instantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles and firm the skin around the mouth and delicate eye area. Interesting. That's pretty awesome. But this is what caught my eye. This is awesome. A special gift for you, $100 wine voucher. Now, other than that, I mean, this is awesome. Fragrance.com, guys. Hit them up. That's all I gotta say. And we'll shipping stuff, nothing else. But this cologne right here, look at it. Bentley. Let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. Now that I've started, I might as well finish, huh? Give me a quick second. Sorry about the quality of the video. I know it's not all that great, but again, I wasn't really planning to do this. I mean, I was, but then I was like, nah. But now I definitely am. Oh God, I love the way the box looks. Just look at it. Bentley. Oh wow. Damn. Look at that. People, this looks amazing. Look at that. The craftsmanship on this. Oh, that's pretty cool. The top just unscrews. It says Bentley Fragrances in there. Guys, it smells amazing. Like, wow. Man, this right here. If you guys like to smell good, this right here. Oh, wow. It smells so good. I definitely recommend it. Bentley.